Good morning, y'all. So one thing that I want you to make sure that you take care of today is you're gonna go join my AP classroom on College Board. So if you've never been to College Board, you're gonna go to collegeboard.com, or you can just type in College Board into Google. Collegeboard.org. I'm sorry. So you're gonna go here. We love that Gwinnett County Wi-Fi. Yeah. Just sit tight. You're doing great. It's fine. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you got to sign in. Okay, so create an account if you haven't already. So you're going to hit create account. You're going to say that you're a student. Your first name, middle initial, last name, gender, date of birth. Make sure that you put an email address in here that is going to be easy for you to access. I probably wouldn't use my Gwinnett County one because they change that quite often. So I would use a personal one because eventually after you graduate, you won't have access to that Gwinnett County one. So just keep that in mind. Your high school graduation date, postal code, where do you go to school, and then you're going to create username, password, security question. You're going to fill out all of this information. The reason why you want to fill out this information and make sure that it's correct is College Board does send you some stuff. And sometimes schools will send you stuff through College Board based off of your SAT scores or your AP exams. So just keep that in mind. I personally like getting the subscriptions, but you can say no. Make sure that you put your parents' information, and then you're going to hit next. Okay, so you're going to fill out all of that information, and then you're going to make sure that you sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And it does it quite often where it signs you out and then signs you back in. So if that's ever the case, just hit that home button, that College Board up here in the top left-hand corner. And so then what you're going to do is you should have up here your dashboard. Okay, so go ahead and do my dashboard. And this will tell you, and again, it makes you sign in 14 times. Just keep re-signing in. It's okay. Okay, this will give you a bunch of information on here. Mine might look a little bit different from what yours looks like, but that's just because I'm a teacher and not a student. So we're going to go to apcentralcollegeboard.org. Okay, cool. All right, so on this screen, I'm already joined in on the classroom, but it'll say like join classroom. Okay, so when you go to the AP Central, so go to apcentral.collegeboard.org. After you create your account and you signed in, you're going to go to the AP classroom. Okay, and you're going to join my AP classroom. Okay, and for the codes for that, I already posted it on eClass, but if you don't have it, here's your period 2 code, and then here's your period 5 code. Make sure that you use the right code because they do sign you up for the test through this, and if you're not in the right class, then that's the problem. Okay, so we're also going to use some of these progress checks and questions on here, so just keep that in mind. This is a really great tool to just kind of get some practice before your exam. Okay, I'm not going to show you a whole lot in the AP classroom just because I haven't assigned you any work in here yet. So, but the AP classroom does have some FRQs, or frappies is what they're called, which are free response questions. And then there's also some other stuff. But for each unit, they have questions already embedded in here, and I'll assign them so that you can see what the questions will be like on that AP exam. We're going to try to do that for each unit just because you want to get as much practice as possible. The best way to prepare for this exam is to do as much practice as you physically can. Okay, so again, join that AP classroom, and then I'll assign work on here, but I'll make sure that you know when I have assigned work. Okay, it won't just be up there just to be up there. All right, this will also be the place where you check your AP scores. Okay, so I don't have any in here right now, but you can pull your available reports, especially if you've already taken some AP exams. They should already be in here, but if you haven't taken any AP classes before, then that's where your AP exams will come in, or AP scores will come in. Okay. And then you can take a look around on here. But we'll talk more about this later on. Right now, I just want you to make sure that you're in the right class. Okay. Thanks, guys.